G'day guys, and today I'm going to do another video, Cisco practice questions, and we'll be doing show commands troubleshooting. A lot of these will be sort of, I suppose, rote. They sort of are what they are. But I will explain where applicable. 445, looking at the output of the show interfaces command seen in the figure below, what is the MAC of the interface using the IP address 23001? So we've got some addresses down there, but we pretty much just have a look through here and then have a bit of a look around. So we've got the address there, and the hardware address is this one here. Therefore, answer will be D. 0010-11D9D001. 446, what command was used to create the output shown in the figure below? And we've got show interfaces, show IP, show IP interfaces brief, and then show controllers. To get this information here, we just type in B, show IP ARP. 447, which of the following commands could you use to figure out the IP address of a neighboring router? So we've got show CDP neighbors, show CDP neighbors detail, show CDP run, and we need to do show CDP neighbors detail to get that information. A little bit more to it there. So 448, looking at the output of the show interfaces command seen in the figure below, what is the encapsulation protocol being used by the serial port? So we've got CDP, PPP, STP, HDLC. So we just got to look around here. Then we've got the address and got some encapsulation there. Just keep looking around until we find something that looks good. Yeah, we've seen that encapsulation a few times. Hardware, internet address, and we have our answer there. D, HDLC. 449, looking at the output in the figure below, what end of the point-to-point link is serial 020? So we've got DCE, DTA, MPC, 8600, power, QUICC. Alright, so show interface 02, hardware is this, what end of the point-to-point link, and we got DCE there. The answer for this one is DCE. We've got 452, looking at the output in the figure below, what is the clock rate of serial 020? And we've got 35 kilobits per second, 64, 128, and 860 kilobits per second. So it's not going to be 860 because that's just the name of that. Let's see if we can find 128, we can't. 35, that's just the version of the DCE. And 64,000 is, which is pretty normal standard clock rate, is B, 64 kilobits per second. 453, you receive the following output from the show interfaces command. What should you check? So we've got serial 020 is up, line protocol is down. We've got check the physical aspects of the link such as the cable, check that the IP address is set, check that the data link protocol is configured, verify that a route is defined to the remote network. If both of them were down, that's when you check the cable. Check the IP address is set, probably not super relevant right this second. Line protocol is down, which points it to layer 2, IP is layer 3. And route would be layer 3 as well, so that would be C, check that the data link protocol is configured. 454, looking at the output of the show interfaces command seen in the figure below, which of the following statements is true? We got serial port is using PPP. Fast Ethernet 00 has no IP assigned. The bandwidth of Fast Ethernet 00 is 1 gigabits per second. Fast Ethernet 01 has not been configured. We can see it's using HDLC as the encapsulation, so that is not the case. Fast Ethernet 00 does have an IP assigned, so it's not that one. Where are we? We got Fast Ethernet has not been configured, or the bandwidth of 00 is 1 gigabits. That looks like 1 gigabits to me. So therefore, it is D. Fast Ethernet 1 has not been configured, and it was administratively down, I believe. 455, you are having trouble communicating with the remote network. You have checked the status of the interfaces. Each interface is up and the IP addresses look fine. What command do you use next? Show IP route, show IP interface brief, show controllers serial 00, show CDP. So when we know things are up and working, communicating with the remote network, From there, we want to know what the routing looks like. So therefore, it's A, show IP route. Kind of like your trace RT for Windows. 456, see where the problem is. We got which of the following commands would you use to troubleshoot issues at layer 3? Select 3. So we've got show IP interface brief, show interfaces, show protocol, show controller, show IP route. So we're going to look at what's going to be layer 3, not layer 2 or layer 1. So I'll just go through them right now. It is A, C, and E. Show IP interface brief, show protocol, show IP route. They're all layer 3. What command do you use to view whether your serial port is the DCE or DTE device? We've got show interface serial 00, show controllers serial 00, and we've got show IP protocols serial 00, show serial 00. The answer for this one is B, show controllers serial 00. 458, which of the following commands would you use to check for issues at layers 1 and 2? Select 2. So you've got show IP interfaces brief, show interfaces, show protocol, show controllers, show IP route. So for this one, it is B and D. Show interfaces, show controllers. So if remember, layer 3 from the other ones involved the IP interface brief, it shows, and the IP route as well as the protocols. So therefore, it is interface and controls which deal with level 1 and level 2, or layer 1 and layer 2 I should say. 459, which of the following could be used as an indication of excessive collisions or bad packets submitted by a malfunctioning network card? Select 2. So we've got runt, bandwidth, CRC, MTU. I'll give you the answers for these ones and explain it. It's runt and CRC. So these guys deal with, I suppose, lower level packets, and if there's issues there or there's minimal CRCs, those are cyclic redundancy checks. That can help. These can obviously help identify issues for sort of, I suppose, excessive collisions, bad packets. These guys are all over it. 460, looking at the output in the figure below, how many packets have been received that were less than 64 bytes? We've got 3, 6, 87, 216,380. So these numbers are obviously all in there. I'm trying to find the 216,000. I feel like they've got it the wrong way around there. There's 87 collisions. There's 3 cyclic redundancy checks, and there's 6 runts. How many packets are received that were less than 64 bytes? That is a feature of runts. Therefore, B is the answer. 461, you would like to see the number of runt packets received. What command would you use? We've got show CDP neighbors detail, show IP interface brief, show interfaces. To get this information, we go D, show interfaces. 462, you are troubleshooting performance issues on the network and suspect that a high number of packets are being retransmitted due to collisions. Use the show interface command to view the status on the interface. Looking at the output in the figure below, how many packets have been retransmitted due to collisions? So we're pretty much trying to find collisions here. Once again, we can see that represents bytes, that's not collisions. 3 was probably in reference to the cyclic redundancy checks, and 6 are the runs, so these are the small packets. And we want to know the collisions, how many were retransmitted due to collisions. There's 87 collisions, therefore that's the number we're looking for. C is the answer. And that's all, folks. Thanks heaps for watching. Subscribe away, like the video, all that good stuff. Got the website there. And really appreciate your time once again. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day. I'll see you guys next time.